A for ant. B for balloon. C for clock. D for duck. E for elephant. F for fan. G for coat. H for house. I for igloo. J for jeep. K for kangaroo. L for leaf. M for mango. N for nose. O for onion. P for papaya. Q for quill. R for rabbit. S for star. T for tree. U for uniform. V for vase. W for watermelon. X for Xmas tree. Y for yo-yo. Z for zoo.